In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use the pi function in Excel. To begin, open your worksheet and click the specific cell where you want the result to appear. This is the cell that will display the value of pi or the result of any calculation you build with it. Choosing the correct cell first helps keep your worksheet organized and makes it easier to follow your work. Next, go to the formula bar at the top of the screen and type an equal sign. In Excel, every formula starts with an equal sign. This tells Excel that you are entering a function or calculation instead of regular text. Right after the equal sign, type pi ball. This is the name of the built-in Excel function that returns the value of pi. Pi is a mathematical constant commonly used in geometry and circle-related calculations. It represents the ratio of a circle's circumference to its diameter. After typing pi, add opening and closing parentheses to complete the function. Your formula should now read equals pi with parentheses. Even though this function does not need any values inside the parentheses, they still need to be included so Excel recognizes the function correctly. Now press Enter on your keyboard. Excel will immediately display the value of pi in the selected cell. This is a quick and accurate way to insert pi into your worksheet without typing the decimal value manually. If you want to use pi in a calculation, click the cell again so you can build a formula using that value. For example, if you are working with a radius and need to multiply pi as part of your equation, start from that cell reference in the formula bar. After the cell reference, type an asterisk. In Excel, the asterisk is the symbol used for multiplication. This tells Excel that you want to multiply the value in that cell by something else. Then type the remaining numbers or cell references needed for your formula. This is where you complete the math expression based on the calculation you are trying to perform. Using cell references instead of typing numbers directly can make your worksheet easier to update later. Once your full formula is ready, press Enter again. Excel will run the calculation and show the result in the cell. That covers everything you need to know.